Now our next situation is, you must have seen this experiment several times at various science exhibitions and science centers like that. I have a track and I have this double cone. Okay. So if I put this thing on a table, if I put this thing on table and then take this cylindrical rod and put it here, हटा दो, पानी का क्या बड़ा कम आपने स्लोप दिया है भाई. ओके, हम नीचे रख के इसका स्लोप बढ़ा देते हैं. Perhaps I can do that. So this pipe comes down. If I place this pipe here, it stays here, but if I place the pipe here, and then it comes down. So let me increase the slope further. Right. देख, ये जानते भी आप और दिख भी रहा होगा, नहीं भी दिख रहा है कोई बात नहीं, नहीं भी दिख रहा है तो भी कोई बात नहीं है. If I put this cone here, see it comes up. अशोक जी आप थोड़ा इधर आ जाइए. Let people see. See the direction of motion of this double cone. If I put it here, it stays here. Okay, if I put it here, it stays here. If I put it here, it comes here. So if I put that cylindrical pipe, if I put the cylindrical pipe here, see where it goes. If I put the cylindrical pipe here, see where it goes. And if I put it here, it just falls. Now instead, if I put this double cone here, it just stays here. Alright. And if I put this double cone here, see where it is going. See where it is going. And this pipe, see where it is going. Alright. So the incline, the slope is towards you. This rear part is at a higher height, higher level, and this pipe respects that. And pipe goes from this higher level to lower level. But this double cone does not respect that. It goes from this level to that level, opposite. So this is the situation. Now there are 4 points, you have to consider 4 points. One point is at the handle, this is, let's say, this point. One is the center of mass of this double cone, right in the middle. Third part is the topmost point, and the fourth part is the bottommost point. Okay? Now look at the question. So the questions are, the central point on the handle goes down, true or false? One by one, let's take one by one. The central point on the handle, that means this portion, these handles, these two portions, these two rods which are coming out. So central part of this handle, it goes down as it moves up this track. When it was moving up the track, the central point of the handle goes down, the center of mass of the double cone goes down, the instantaneous topmost point goes down, the instantaneous bottommost point goes down. More than one answer may be correct. Tell me which are correct or which is correct. Third is correct. And when you say third, that means you are saying that first, second and fourth are wrong. Okay? Third. One. First one. Okay? Second one, the center is going down. Second and third. First and second.
Sir, since the center of gravity always lies at the lowest point,
हाँ.
तो इसके हिसाब से कौन सा पॉइंट मैच कर रहा है, मैं वही देख रही हूँ.
देखो देखो.
What do you mean by going down? Down with respect to what?
Okay, going down with respect to the table surface. The fixed horizontal level. When I say something is going down, that means the height from a horizontal surface is decreasing. And when something goes up, that means height from some fixed horizontal surface is increasing. Okay, so that's the meaning of going down. Second and third.
Second one is correct.
Second one. Second and third. Okay, instantaneous topmost position and instantaneous bottommost position. Second. Second and third. Second and third. Second and third. All of them. Navya? You are still working on it. Everyone seems to agree that the center of mass is going down. All right? That part everyone agrees. Then some people also say that together with this, that instantaneous topmost point will go down, the others will not go down. हाँ बताइए कौन कौन सा गो डाउन हो रहा है?
सर इसमें सारे हो रहे हैं.
सारे हो रहे हैं, ऑल. उधर से एक ऑल आया था, एक और ऑल आया इधर से. और कोई है? सारे ही वाले ABCD ऑल करेक्ट. बॉटम मोस्ट, ओनली द बॉटम मोस्ट गोज डाउन. नन ऑफ देम. कोई नीचे नहीं जाता है. आप देख रहे हो सब कुछ ऊपर जा रहा है.
That triangular track is on horizontal level. What?
Right, the bottom surface of this, yeah, this track is kept on the table. Not actually horizontal, not actually, that's why I showed you this pipe. The pipe goes down. So this is elevated. This portion is elevated than this. So that's the dilemma. That is the dilemma. This is higher than this level, but still that double cone reaches from here to here. Right, right sir, right sir. Now look at this pipe, this double cone. Okay, look at this double cone. Okay.
Sir, what I feel here is that when we draw an FBD of the situation, we see that first of all we consider the mg downwards, and then we consider a normal force upwards on the object in the direction perpendicular to the plane. Now there is another force to be considered, which is the force of the friction, which is acting in the direction parallel to the plane but in the upward direction. Now somehow it is happening in this situation that the component of the net component of force along the parallel of the plane is upwards. So that is why this double cone is moving upwards, because maybe friction, the frictional component is greater than the component of gravity in that direction.
Yeah.
That is my explanation.
You also answered a different question. I did not ask for the explanation why it is going up. That was not my question. Your answers are fine, very good. Good explanation, good analysis. But our question was not that, why it is going up. My question is, I have seen it going from this portion to that portion. During this period, which parts of this double cone are going down, which parts are going up, or some parts are remaining at the same level? That is the question. All remain at the same place.
Sir, only the topmost.
Only the topmost point.
All the options are correct.
All the options are?
Correct.
Are correct. Okay. Now people are coming forward towards all the options are correct. Look at this cone and focus your attention on its center and try to put it at some other place where the center has gone down. Okay. In any way, the center must be is at this level. Now the center should be little down. And see what happens to this handle. Can it go up? While the center is going down, can these portions go up? Look at this topmost portion. When the center is going down in any way, Will the topmost point go up? Will the bottommost point go up? Will the handle go up? If this whole thing is a rigid body, alright? So, if you compare two situations of this rigid body, this situation and that situation, whatever, wherever you put, if the center of mass is going down, every part instantaneous, remember, instantaneous.
That is only down. The instantaneous bottom.
That means, see, I am not sticking to this point. This point may go
Then
up.
it is okay.
This point may go up. What was at the bottom, after some time, it can reach the top.
Instantaneous.
That is why I have put the word instantaneous topmost point and instantaneous bottommost point. the whole thing has to go, it's a rigid body, the whole thing has to go down. Okay? Now it is going down in the sense, this track, now I am coming to the explanation part. You can always do a more rigorous analysis, but this track is formed in this fashion that here the separation is small, and therefore this double cone has to stay like this. Whereas here the separation is more and this double cone can go inside this hole. Right? So that is why this portion, if you compare this situation and this situation, here the whole double cone has gone down because it is getting into this empty space. This middle part, this belly part of this double cone is getting into this, and therefore it is falling. It's not rising, it is falling. So that's the simple explanation.